Alex and Irenne. It is so gorgeous to welcome you both to your wedding day here in the most beautiful surroundings of Glendalough. You two have chosen each other as life partners, and after the ceremony today you've decided that you are going to each move forward in your lives together, hand in hand, as husband and wife to one another, come what may. And all of these people that are gathered here today will be your closest circle of love and support for your marriage and for the ups and downs and whatever may come in your lives together.
I wish to be in your light, shining bright forevermore. By your side, I have been, and I know I will always be the happiest man.
So from sickness to health, from want to plenty, from despair to joy, from difficulty to possibility, from aloneness to love. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. My heart will be your shelter, and my arms will be your home. I love you now until I die, for I must love because I live, and life in me is what you give.
Irene, these rings signify the coming around of the cycle of life, from sickness to health, from want to plenty, from despair to joy, from difficulty to possibility, from aloneness to love. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. My heart will be your shelter, and my arms will be your name, your home. That's it, I can't read. I love you now until I die, for I must love because I live, and life in me is what you give.
Huge welcome to all of you. It's truly our honor to receive you all here in Glendalough, and it's really close to miraculous to have achieved the gift of having you all together with us.
And this has been symbolised by the joining of hands and the exchange of vows and rings. And it now gives me great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife, and you may kiss each other.